Hi, I'm Bryan. Welcome to Ask Bryan Cheong. One of our followers, Miss Nisha, asked me how to do stock control in SQL accounting software. In order to answer your questions, I need to create 3 videos for you. First, how to increase the stock quantity, how to decrease the stock quantity, and also how to do the adjustment. Before we start, please make sure you do have stock control module for your SQL accounting software. First, go to File, Company Profile, and make sure your company name background is in yellow color, meaning this database already activated. Then go to Stock on top and make sure you have Print Stock Cut or Stock Adjustment. Let's log into SQL accounting software. To create a stock item, we need to go to Stock, Maintain Stock Item. You can see a listing of all your stock items if you do a proper stock control by coming here and just type the name of the stock item that you want. Let's say black pen. You can see that the quantity is 99, meaning that you have 99 units on hand. This will be the accurate and actual quantity for your stock item. To create a new one, just go to New. Let's say we create a new item called black bag. In SQL, all our code is alphanumeric, can be numbers or wording. Code and description can be the same. Put in the base UOM or penjodoh bilangan. You may put in the reference cost or reference price if you want to. This is the purchase price, let's say 100 ringgit. Selling price is 200. This is the basic information that you need. Save this item. Let's say you want to create another bag, same information. You just need to right-click, copy stock item, new, right-click, paste stock item. Let's say this is a blue bag. And let's say all the rest is the same, save it. So we go to browse and we look for bag. And you can see that both bag quantity is 0 because you have not purchased. To increase the stock quantity, there are 5 ways. First, good received. Second, purchase invoice. Third, stock received. Fourth, stock adjustment. And the last one is called bill of material. Let's go to purchase and create a purchase order. New. This is not a accounting document, or this will not increase your stock item. This is merely you want to order from your supplier. Select Empire. We want to order the black bag, 100 unit, and also the blue bag, 100 unit. So when you do a purchase order, your stock item for your bag, again, will not increase. But when you receive the stock, you do good receive, new, okay, then select supplier. You may right-click title and transfer from purchase order. Okay, let's say you order 100, you only receive 80. The second one, you receive 100. Okay. Save this. And when we check on the stock for bag, and you can see that quantity increased accordingly. 80 for black bag and also 100 for blue bag. Now, you may ask, what if you do not practice purchase order? No problem. Directly key in under good receive. It will also increase the stock quantity. Let's do a trial. Select supplier. And for the black bag, directly, no transfer, I increase 20. I receive 20. So when I check on the stock item again, it's 100, 100. Okay. After we receive, the second way to increase the stock quantity, it will be purchase invoice. New, Empire, select as a supplier. Remember, if you do create a good receive, please do not directly key in under purchase invoice. You need to right-click title and transfer from good receive, else the quantity will be double. Okay, so let's say this is not transfer from good receive. We directly key in, select backpack 30, and select the Look back 30 also. Without transferring from good receive, we check the stock item. So black bag is 130, blue bag also 130. So this proves that purchase invoice will increase the stock quantity. Third one will be stock receipt. So what is the difference between good receipt and stock receipt? Normally, when you do a purchasing from your supplier, we do good receipt. When you do stock receipt, it's because you do production and you did not purchase the stock, but the stock quantity increased. Example, you purchase raw material, then you create a finished good. So finished good you did not purchase. It is assembly. So that's why without purchasing, the stock quantity increased. So normally you can use stock receipt or you use the BOM module. Example, under the stock receipt, I do a black bag. I put in 10. Save it, and you can check your stock is 140. This is the third way to increase the stock quantity. We will discuss stock adjustment in the third video. If you want to know more about how to reduce the stock quantity, please follow my channel. We'll discuss in the next video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you.